video of Python Bytes series. In this video, we'll see Python's inbuilt functions for strings. We have seen in the previous video related to variables how to declare a string variable. Let us declare a string variable var string. Let us paste. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The fun fact about this string is it has all the 26 alphabets in it. Let us now find how to print the length of the string. So let's print, and the syntax to find the length is length bracket the name of the variable var string. Let us now run the script. So you see there are 43 characters in the strings. So in Python, when for a string, even the spaces are calculated as one character. So there are 8 spaces and 35 alphabets in this string. Let us now see how we can slice the string. To slice a string, the syntax is variable name, and in square bracket using colon we put the start of the slice and the end of the slice. So if we put 0 to 3, it will print the index, it will print the characters at index 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I'll just type here, this will print characters at index 0, 1, 2. So it will not print at 3 because Python doesn't take the last place holder. So it will print only 0, 1, 2. So, and in Python the indexing starts with 0. So it will print 0, 1, 2. So it will print the word the. Let us run the script and check. So when we run, oh, we didn't print it. So we will type print in front of it. So it will print. So now we see we got the print the in it. So I have a question for you. Can you type the code to print lazy dog? Please post your answers in the comment section. If you want to print the last character in the string and we don't know the length of the string, Python gives us the option of printing the last character in the similar way. So we give variable and then -1. So with this we'll be able to print the last character, that is G. So let us run the script and see we got G. If you want to print last 3 characters, we can, the syntax is -3 till the end. So if we run this, we will have dog. So it went -3 letters, so 1, -1, -2, -3, and it print dog. So this will help you with printing lazy dog. Python also gives us to replace character. So if you want to replace the character in the string, so if you want to replace this capital T with a smaller lowercase t, the uppercase t to lowercase t, so let us type variable name dot replace and what we want to replace. So we want to replace uppercase t with lowercase t, and we will have to store this in certain variable, because dot replace will return a string which we have to store somewhere. It is not an in place change, it will give out a response which we have to store. And now we will print, let us not overwrite it, we'll give it a new name. Let us type print var string new and let us run it. So we see that the uppercase T is now replaced with the lowercase t in this. This is how you can replace any character in the string. Let us now see how we can concatenate strings. So in concatenation, we are joining 2 or more strings. So let us declare a new string Python. Let's declare one more string 2 as cool and variable 3 as is. So let us make it easier. Let us make this as 3 and this as 2. So the sentence that we are concatenating will make sense. So let's concat and we will type variable 1 plus variable 2 plus variable 3, and now if we run this thing, we will have output. Oh, we have to give a print here variable concat, and we will, when we run, we will get Python is cool but without space. Now if you want to add spaces, we can just add another string, that is we'll add a space string over here between the two characters. So this will return us Python is cool. So we see that if you want to do some changes in the script, it is easier to go back and type. If it was in console, it will be really difficult because we'll have to type the whole thing. Now here it was just adding whatever changes we needed. Now if we don't need to add, if we don't want to add these extra space strings, there is another option. We can just add a space string in the variable at its declaration point. And if we now run, we'll have the same result. So so we have to declare over here because our variable 2 is here, and then if we run it, we'll have Python is cool. Now we learned the basic operations that we can do on string variables. Please post your comments with your questions in the comment section. I would love to interact with the Python community and start a discussions related to Python. Please join the Discord server for Python Bytes. Find the link for Discord server in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying these small bites of Python programming. Click in the top right corner to find more content related to Python. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Your likes and subscriptions help me with YouTube algorithm to reach the wider Python loving community and motivates me to create more content. Goodbye till next time. Keep coding.